Let's make some adorable paperclip bunny bookmarks. The first thing you want to do is you fold over your card. I always like cutting out doubles of what I'm doing because that way you can make sure that the sides match up. So I'm going to use this to create my white bunny. Now on the brown bunny, this is from a cardboard box. This is really good and I loved using this. And this bunny is basically two ovals. So I've got a big oval for the head, and then a slightly smaller oval for the body. Now remember that the body mustn't be too small because this is where you're going to be sticking your paper clip. So you need to have enough space for the tape to fit and really stick this down. And so I think this is a good size. And then you put two little ears on top. So two little ears. Almost made it a bit too short. They could be a bit longer, but I think that'll do. And then later I'm going to rub out the lines. Although having said that, if you do, this is the double bunny, if you do the double bunny, it doesn't matter so much about the lines because you can just stick them on the inside. Doesn't have to be perfect. I actually think that's quite cute. And then you get your pens and add your details. That's your front. Your back of your bunny. On this one I cut out a piece of paper and I stuck the tail on, but again with this little bunny, because it's a white one, you can just colour a little bobble tail. Next you get your safety pin, your whatever that's called, you know what that is. And now the important thing is to put the tape across. So can you see across that bit, because this is the bit that you want to stick on your book, okay? So this bit there, and when you do stick it on, it doesn't matter if it overlaps, you can trim that off. Make sure it's stuck really, really tightly down. You don't want it coming out by accident. And now you simply glue the front of the bunny on top. Try and line them up as neatly as you can, and you're ready for the next step. So because of the pin, not the pin, but I'm just going to paper clip, because of the paper clip, I'm just going to have to push this down whilst it's drying, okay? That's the first half. In fact, that could be a bookmark in itself. It's really cute. But now it comes to the second part. Okay, so fold it over. Now, if you're not confident in freehand cutting, draw an egg shape first. I've got lots of practice, so I'm going to just take the risk, although I'm not always that neat either, and cut like an ovally egg shape. And I've cut two at the same time. So here they are. I'm going to turn them around because I want one egg that side, one egg that side. And then I'm going to repeat the same with this one. Get your string, like fold it in half, then take the loop, push it through, see the loop, and then take these two ends and push it through. Now you need to make sure that this is the right length to fit into your average book. I'm going to use mine as a guide. This looks good, but you can just get your book and have a look how long you want this to be and how far they dangle out. Now you don't have to do this, but I feel like if you put a little knot in each one, it'll just help secure it on a bit more when you're sticking, because there's sort of something for the glue to hold. So I'm just putting an extra little knot on. And now you have a choice. You can either take one egg and sellotape it on and you're finished, or like I'm going to do it, I'm going to take both eggs, I'm going to use some glue, and I'm going to glue it together. And again, because of the little bump in the string, you might want to have a clothes peg just to help hold it in place whilst it dries. And then, okay, so the moment of truth. Let's have a look. So carefully take that off, open up our eggs, and There we go. You've got your adorable bookmark. Aren't they so cute?